Triple murder in Kingston. Man electrocuted at Mart dies. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 2 women and a man were shot dead on King Street in the vicinity of National Heroes Circle in Kingston shortly before midnight Thursday. The man was the driver of the taxi the women were traveling in when the gun attack occurred after 11 p.m. According to reports, the women were heading to get their makeup done to attend a party. The gunmen, who reportedly traveling in another car, struck when the women were exiting the taxi. It's believed that the gunmen trailed them. All 3 died on the spot. The Kingston Central Police are investigating. An expansion to the Mart building on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew, which allegedly brought the structure too close to the power lines, is being fingered by the Jamaica Public Service as the cause for the electrocution of a maintenance worker on March 13 who died at hospital. More details to come following further investigations.